Hey boys, welcome back. Got a little live day trading right here. So right now, I'm not even sure if we're going to be taking a trade yet, or today. To be honest, it doesn't look like anything's playing out. At least on ES, maybe some longs on NQ. But on the higher time frames, we're looking. Let me turn this down. But on the higher time frames, we're looking at like longs in play or shorts. But we're also, this is a big ass daily fair value gap. So I'm not really sure what we're thinking, like what market's thinking for today. We've been retracing it, respecting it heavily. So, and we do have a lot of draws towards the downside. But who knows? We might want to take out these London highs and then come lower. So we're just watching. 5 minutes till macro. We do have some news today. I'm pretty sure we have. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. All right. Got some 10 a.m. pending on. I mean, it's like orange folder, so it's not the end of the world. So yeah. But just. Yeah. On the higher time frame, we could catch a distribution move to the downside. On the lower time frame, it looks like we have manipulation. It could be going higher, but we're strongly respecting this daily fair value gap. So we're just gonna play it out, play it safe. Don't want to force anything today. But yeah, it looks like we just swept the sell side liquidity. So maybe if we find a nice entry off this 1 minute, that's a possibility, especially for macro. Or we might just continue lower, depending on how we respect or what we do at these London highs on this daily fair value gap. I need to become quicker with my mouse. I'm decent, but I'm not quick enough. Some TJR timer. Click, click, click. Alright, 1 hour, we are still retracing off this daily fair value gap, coming higher on NQ. If we can get a retracement into this, we just inverse that, but I want to see what we do there. That's beautiful, beautiful sell off. I think it respected the daily fair value gap. Definitely want to be careful. Market is. We feel this fair value gap, we could be definitely coming lower. Low key.
Are you convinced that we're going to take out some? We've got too much shit to the downside.
I think so. It looks like we have a lot of buying or selling pressure. Yeah. A lot of draws and liquidity to the sales.
If we were a bit lower down, that would so low. But again, look at this fucking trend line we have during London sessions and Asian sessions. There's so much shit here that we could do. We could come into high time frame discount as well, which would be in line with my take profits, right? We need liquidity to move higher.
Watching the 5 minute time frame right now. This could definitely be AMD to the downside though.
See how we react. I think that was just like a 5 minute thing.
Don't want my charts to get too cluttered.
Yeah, so we have this order block that we come back into.
I'm just making sure I'm trying to look at both sides of the market, guys, because today is one of those days. And I'm probably going to look for an entry now. Probably going to enter into shorts. I'm putting 1 con for shorts.
Order filled.
Alright, how are we looking here? Oh shit. We might get a 79% percentage downside on the 15 minute. If we do that, that's gonna be fucking fire. But yeah, we got a bit of thing that happen. to me like we're gonna close a minute and a half. If we close below the 77% extension. I keep yapping about these fib labels, but trust me, this shit works.
I did enter in a little quick there, but I'm pretty sure that was a good entry towards the downside.
Keep going.
Oh, a small 1 minute. Could be catching distribution to the downside.
Order filled.
Enter in one more contract. I'm in shorts right now off a 1 minute fair value gap on ES. Trying to see if we're catching the distribution right now with AMD playing out. Small, but it's a good imbalance. I'm probably gonna take out at like the sell side though. Definitely take out position at this sell side once we sweep it. And then probably leave a runner to see what we do at this fair value gap. Because I feel like I've seen something like this before. Where we come like partially fill it and then retrace for like a long while and then come in like to fill it again. I feel like this would be the long time frame play.
Thing is, we just swept that liquidity, right? We swept that low resistance liquidity on the 1 minute. Those two lows in line with each other.
We just tap this. Are we gonna sweep it? Can we sweep it, please?
I'm not gonna lie, I might move my first take profit to like a shitty risk to reward, but it's like at that low. You see where
I forgot you. Can you please buy limits?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm not gonna play with that now.
That's how I take profits.
Yeah, I should do that.
The thing is, you've got the pre-C stuff for you on top step. That's how it goes. But I wouldn't partial like large harvest, you know.
Order filled.
I took out one contract. I'm gonna keep my stops where they are right now. We're entering macro, so I'm just keep this one position in.
We're shitting hard on the Nasdaq. Honestly, I could have entered another like 3 contracts on the micro on the Nasdaq just because where we are. We were tracing on 5 minutes for a conference.
Alright, now we're gonna see. I should have entered in 3 contracts so I could have one runner pass this fair value gap if we don't, like, if we just trace from it. But I want to like see us fill this 1 hour, this hourly fair value gap.
Yeah. We are shitting. Okay, we took some more liquidity. No, we didn't take any more liquidity because that was very sweet.
So
let's see how we react for 8:34. I think we'll be fine, honestly. Again.
I really want us to see us retrace to this next fair value gap, but to be honest, you could enter in maybe if you were looking for an entry. We might retrace back to that and come lower, maybe even inverse it and come lower. Bless you, man. Let me make sure my recording's doing all right.
I'm gonna note down the potential area I could have entered in Nasdaq, just for future reference. If I see that shit happen again, then I'll be willing to put more risk on the table. I've only been making like half, 0.5. I don't know what I'm paying. It's still being up.
I really want to see what we do up here in a 1 minute.
We took that liquidity and
if we can inverse it, that's nice, but
Order filled.
I entered in another contract right here. At the highs or lows?
lows.
Oh, fuck.
I That essence, like Nasdaq is raping liquidity. I'm down. Again, I'm gonna see how we react to this bitch. Say we broke it. I just saw another entry in Nasdaq as well.
Wait. How fast we do? I'm probably gonna hop out this then.
Order filled.
Yeah, bro. Definitely gonna hop out of that. Bro. Holy.
I'm gonna stay.
If we disrespect, if we have like, if we close below this value gap, I could probably hop back in. But that 5 minute, or that, yeah, that's a whole SMT right there.
We just made the 1 minute. We closed back behind the assets. I think we're about 1 minute in 30 seconds. If we close bearish right now on this bitch, it's just got like a little lesson. Nasdaq's like moving on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still down. Oh shit.
It could be scooping.
No,
I want to be careful. I told myself I wouldn't rush into any entries. Just want to, especially since I've been looking at the 1 minute more often.
I don't like how we just jump in market. That's not been happening though recently.
Yeah. I'm going to enter in another sell position and put stops right here. Okay, never mind. I'm just about to like hop out because alright, that's probably the last position I'm going to take on the day. Okay. Because I caught the initial move lower, but maybe it wasn't the best idea to try to, yeah, I don't think it was the best idea to do that. Because I caught the initial move lower, but usually off from like the retracements, like we retrace higher, it's not always going to respect that fair value. You have to come back lower.
Let's see how he does. I'm literally just watching my shit.
Okay.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm out because we're disrespecting this.
Getting back to the we've got news at 5 p.m.
So like, let me see the 5 minute. I want to see what our long-term play is looking like in the 5 minute. I feel like my 5 minute bias is looking shorts too. We just I can't even see any potential entries to the upside.
I'm watching my shit right now on the actual index.
Let's see on NQ what we got playing out. NQ is good price action right now.
Yeah,
I wouldn't say we have any entries though.
okay, we're coming back into confidence.
We are. On what time frame?
5 minutes. So Work structure and that closely. Coming up.
If we can have, if we can break above, then that'll be clean.
Yeah. So we retrace this. If we get a bit of structure back to the downside, but stack. I'll probably end it with 3 contracts. Taking out a few 1 more nice as well.
We're gonna have news in a minute. Might give us news might give us an entry. Like off and then.
I'm in down.
Huh.
See if we re-sweep those equal highs. Oh shit, it's looking like we're gonna come up and take over. I'm so convinced that we're gonna go low.
Yeah, we don't have any entries.
Yeah. We did at the start of the day. Yeah.
Well, yeah, our higher time frame, like the 1 hour, 4 hour, we're looking bearish, but I don't think for the higher time frame. Yeah, we missed out on that play. Yeah, no entries in sight. I think the only reason I'm saying this is because I watched TJR's video yesterday and he was patient and waited for like a move to play out for the higher time frame move.
What the fuck just happened?
I think we have potential for a good move.
Oh, I got fucked by news.
You hopped in that.
That's fucking crazy. I got one tap click when news came out. Shit. Alright. Well, we just took all that liquidity to the upside now, so see what we do next.
And we just tap on this daily fair value gap.
Alright, well, lesson learned, when we're at all-time highs, just look for lows negative. We're bullish on the high times. High again, it's still a extended loss by Okay.
I see good potential for shorts, for the long term play.
Yeah.
There's
I
definitely-
basically lost what I made yesterday.
if we can get an entry, then that would be nice. I'm probably gonna watch NQ too, cause
Okay, we just took London high. We took London highs on ES.
I don't know about NQ. NQ's PA is looking a little rough. No.
That was a beach Chicago. We're back in this side. Stress this liquidity. Right back to the upside. The fuck is this honeypot? Take a picture of this position.
I'm convinced I want to bottom tick this short play. That would be great manipulation.
We inverse this bitch. Where the fuck are we going? I swear. We're going to nowhere. We're going up.
What are we gonna do with these highs? Are we gonna do space? I want to try a bottom tick and then keep stops above right like these highs. But I'm not a bottom tick warrior, so I'm just gonna wait for an entry like a good little boy. Like, we still didn't take out our jaws on liquidity yet. Actually, low-key, I did. We took out New York. Yeah, low-key might not be a trade. I took my initial position. I could have, like, scaled a little higher. Definitely could have scaled a little higher. Should have aimed for my low hanging fruit because my initial low hanging fruit was this like hourly fair value gap.
Yeah, that fucking low time frame dingleberry is what messed us up.
Yeah.
Are you up or down or break even?
I think I'm like break even. I might be up.
Yeah. I'm down 44. That's like 0.5%.
Yeah, I'm like break even.
I'm still green anyway. Well, what's it for one losing day, bro?
Thanks.
I went short, but I saw it short. I was convinced
Yeah.
we were going to go low. When we're at all-time highs, again, it's fucking right, because this shit can just keep going up. Take lows, and you go high. But the reason why, like we're all-time highs, cool, we're bullish. But the problem is, we've got all that fucking liquidity to the downside, so you cannot convince me otherwise that we're gonna go any fucking higher, bro. Okay, we're shit.
We got an SMT right now.
Yeah, we just broke structure on the 1 minute on ES. Let's see if we fucking shit further.
Break of structure, good conviction, liquidity sweep. I'm seeing what I saw yesterday, bro. If I'm being so honest.
I did on the NQ. We're accumulating, bro. We broke on both indexes, by the way. Looks to me like we're gonna come down because we just took out a lot of lines.
I just want an entry though. Like, I don't give a fuck about this like money. I just need this entry. Like, I need like confirmation in my trading.
Okay.
Like,
So we got a break of structure. I much rather favor ES. I might just
I'm watching this. If I enter, yes.
How are we reacting to this gap? We just inverse that gap. Okay, cool. Maybe come back into equilibrium with the breakup. Let's see. If we at least need to have some sort of retrace. I think it's because that 5 minute gap there, so I'm convinced otherwise we're gonna come down. Let's just not fucking send it down straight away, but come on, let's have a retrace.
Yeah. If we don't, then I'm not taking a trade. This is my entry if I were to take it like without a confirmation. But I'm waiting.
Okay, come on, show yourself. Yeah, go on. You fucking bitches. Close the airship. Like, okay, we get it. We inverse the gap. You don't have to tell us anymore. We're being edged so hard. I'm really. Let's go back to equilibrium. Yes.
We could have another phase of manipulation to take out liquidity from lower.
We could literally just come back into that 5 minute gap. Or we just took good liquidity. I'm not gonna. Okay, picking up and see where this other candle goes. If we
There are
come back to
no.
equilibrium, get a nice close out, I'm gonna enter the few contracts.
Got that.
See if that's like full risk again.
We got an SMT at the highs if we close lower.
We're still in this fucking imbalance.
This SMT will probably give me confirmation. 5 minutes.
5 minute imbalance.
Time is at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock SMT. I'm probably gonna enter off of that. I just want to see it close under this. Right there. Chart's looking messy, but I understand. A1 sell contract.
Order filled.
Put stops probably above this sell side. We took it out, didn't necessarily close it yet. But we do have this SMT that I'm low-key like confident of.
I might just be down there. Unless you come with equilibrium. Come on. Let's touch this bitch. Making an up candle.
It was low-key that. Fuck me.
Honestly, my entry might be on the coming back to equilibrium after a break.
Damn. He might come take out this sell side, and I might be that liquidity.
What the fuck are we doing? Look at this little ass gap that we made. We're playing Tetris?
Sure. He said, are we playing Tetris?
Make equal draws there. I'm confident that we're going to take out that previous one in
I'm confident that
actually
we
broke structure on the Nasdaq. Believe it or not, we broke off of a doji. So we're coming up.
I'm confident that this might be like take out buy side and then we distribute, because that's so it's looking like on NQ. It looks like AMD playing out, but also I said our long-term play could be shorts for the day. But
We just broke up killing the Nasdaq, so I'm not going to enter just yet.
if we can get displacement past like these lows, that would just be beautiful. I want to say we have selling pressure, but what would be my drawn liquidity? Would be this.
Literally, I'm just looking at this. I'll see. We took London session high, which is all-time high. I'm not convinced that we're just not going to reverse that. We've got to.
Oh, we're sweeping. We're gonna sweep sell side either. Yeah, towards this direction.
Order filled.
Holy fuck, Latugan. Yo. Yeah, I'm done for today. I don't want to overtrade or revenge trade. If we go lower, we go lower. If we go higher, we go fucking higher. I gotta close out my charts. Yeah, I took out buy side. Could be coming higher for distribution.
Might be closing on the loss today.
confusing ass thing in the market, but alright, I'm gonna journal this, and then I'm like low on energy, bro. Everything's low. But I'm gonna journal this, back test this. I'm gonna post this recap, and I will see y'all. Thanks for popping out. Okay. Yeah, boys, it happens. It's okay, because I'm gonna look back at this day and be like, hey, I remember I was in that phase. And then a couple of days later, I really just started banging out trades left, right. Got that payout. Yeah. Really, I'm not gonna lie. This one's on me. Again, I was low-key chasing the market. If I'm being completely honest with myself, like, it looks like I'm chasing the market. Like, I feel like I'm chasing price, chasing the money. And yeah, and also a little married to my shorts bias today. I believe that we already took out our jaws on liquidity. So there's no sense for us to come back lower, well, at least for right now, to come towards the liquidity that we already came to. I should have just entered in when I did, like, my initial short that I won. Let's see. Show chart executions. Like this short play right here. I can't even be looking at that right now. This short play, I should have trusted my conviction. Took it exactly to my low-hanging fruit. Maybe put in 2 or 3 cons on that play. And then called it a day. But nah. I didn't up my cons appropriately. I didn't fully trust my conviction. We took out our jaws on liquidity, and then I expected us to take it out again. Started referencing, like, other people and the way they do stuff and comparing it to my own. Nah, that's one thing I should definitely not be doing. Today is 100% my fault. It could have been a very nice winning day. Instead, it was a losing day. Of course, like, small loss. It's down 170 on the account. But, one, that could have been, like, up a lot more. 2, or it could have been a lot less. But regardless, we're just gonna stop trading for today. Don't want to overtrade, don't want to revenge trade. I already feel my energy like kind of depleted right now, and I'm also like running off of like 2 hours of sleep. But we're just gonna come back tomorrow. Hopefully, price action is not like real choppy and bad. I'm saying that even though I still had like a nice move today. I just didn't execute on it appropriately. Definitely had some confirmation bias there in the mix. Discipline could definitely be better. And again, it's a little mix of me being on the XFA now, like realizing that this could actually be real money, but I'm trying to keep my mentality as it's still an express account. Like, I want to keep my mentality as we still are on those demo funds, because essentially we are on those demo funds, but these demo funds can make us money. Like, we're making money. We're making real money and losing fake money, which is crazy to think about. But that's where it kind of fucks you up, like psychology, and you gotta have to really be strong up here and use the self-control that God gave you in your mind to say, no, I'm going to treat this like it's an eval. I'm going to treat it no other. I'm not going to put worth towards this. This is like Justin Orlean. I watch him for like psychology. He's great for psychology, but stop putting so much worth on something. Like the more worth you put on something, the more it's going to cause you to like react to it, whether that be like physically, emotionally. But yeah, to like say that's like when you're on a paper account, a demo account, you're not thinking about, oh, it's going to lose me money and stuff, because you're not putting worth towards it. It's worthless essentially, so you don't really care about it, right? You gotta kind of have to and kind of not have to treat this like the same way. You can't put too much, you can't overvalue it, or then it will start to have control over you. So just remember that we live to trade for another day. Even Top Step's slogan is like, live to trade for tomorrow. I'm pretty sure that's it. Trade for tomorrow. Okay, so we should have trusted my conviction. That's been something I've definitely been struggling with these past couple of days, just not fully trusting my conviction. I did up the cons pretty appropriately at the time, but could have definitely seen a win on today and then just could have cut it right there. I need to stop taking like two opposing trades. But yeah, that's all I really got for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friggity Friday, I'm pretty sure. So we're going to enjoy Friday. Hopefully we can end the week off with a dub that covers our losses for the week. But if not, now we got a whole nother week ahead of us. Again, like with this XFA, you got to the end of time to trade this account. So no rush at all. Just need 5 winning days out of the end of time. So yeah, just going to take it day by day. And one thing I don't want to do is get into habits where I start over like revenge trading, not taking my losses seriously, because then I just have this account for nothing. Then I'm going to like lose this account, then I'm going to start the loop all over again, learning my strategy, my model, my mentality behind it that I should have to pass the Express account, and then I'm going to get back to the XFA. And I just don't want to. I already see how that like cycle like messes up a lot of other traders, so I'm not going to get in that cycle, because I know that the devil is out to like take me down, bro. But it's not gonna happen, because God gave me a mind, and God gave you a mind that's strong, that has self-control, self-discipline. And yeah, so 1 win, 1 loss on the day. But yeah, enjoy your day. God bless you. He loves you, and his love is never ending. See ya.